I'm a flap-necked chameleon.
Hi, my name is Noah.
And I'm May. Look, Noah, he's green, just like I told you. Really? How? Want to know how? Put the all-seeing magnifier marker on my body and see for yourself. My feet have 5 toes, a set of 3 and a set of 2 on each foot. And I've got super sharp claws.
So colorful.
My feet have 5 toes, a set of 3 and a set of 2 on each foot. Do you also see my round scales? They always keep me safe. Hoo-hoo! Want to see something magical? Touch me on the screen and move me left and right. Whoa! His skin is changing colors. Wow!
Magical, isn't it? Move the chameleon to the sunlight or to the shade for more color changes.
Oh, the chameleon is green. Noah, look over there.
That one is the Parsons chameleon.
He's huge.
Yes, he is. Parsons chameleons are very big.
His body turned blue.
That's because I'm a male. Blue is our go-to color.
Put the in love marker or the angry marker on Panther chameleon.
Lucky me, this is the perfect spot.
Hey there. What do you think? It's my new color.
Holy colors! Oh, my heart is beating faster. Can I call you my love? He's going for that grasshopper hanging on the branch.
Really? How do chameleons capture prey?
If you want to find out, open up the folded page.
What a treat! Oh! I can catch you even if you have wings. Want to know more about me? Then put the chameleon toy marker on the book. My entire body is covered in big and small round scales. These scales are very thin, so you can see through to my skin cells changing colors. I have a very strong, long tail, so I can grab onto tree branches and other things. Transformation complete! I need food. I should go on a hunt for some grasshoppers. Questions will be asked about me. Put your toy marker on the grasshopper with O for correct sentences and on the grasshopper with X for incorrect ones. Chameleons' bodies are covered in round scales. Chameleons. Correct! Chameleons have short necks, so they can't turn their heads. Oh, no! Chameleons are green.
Oh, that was close! It's a chameleon! I gotta fly higher.
Huh? I thought I heard buzzing.
Oh, trouble!
Ha! A crunchy